Okay, y'all, so we're checking for a popping sound or vibration we're feeling when we're driving, and we determined that it's not the wheel bearing and it's not the ball joints. We're shaking the wheel from 12 to 6, and we can feel a little bit of play that may be telling us that the wheel bearings, doesn't have much life left in it. But I don't think that warranted it being the issue. I don't think it was enough. And then we got down here and we started shaking this steering column shaft, or whatever you want to call it. That's a pretty good pop right there. So let's get quite a bit of play. So we think that is the sound we're hearing when we're turning the wheel, driving from slow speeds, taking off. And so that needs to be changed out.
Yep.
Let's get too much play.